This is truck engine. That's the pollution pipe. And moving the wheels, machine rider. That's oil filter. And rotating the motor belts. This is the petrol pipe. When the machines are going to flows all the oil motors, and it's the pollution will be. And the wires are attached to all buttons to small motors and big motors, and static on this the faster speed to be converted into all energies. And the wire are attached in this machine into the motors are springs, and this work will be on the petroleum. And this spring is, and this is the lines, and the wire are buttons to in the spring roll. It's the petrol, diesels in gets discarded and the kerosene oil at the spin out of the working of the machine. And these pipes are can help to the Arctic wires, and this is Epstal, and these are the two pollution pipes. This is the kerosene oils to the flowing to the backside, and this is the hottest part of is this engine with the current flows, and to cover up this is the plastic side, and these are the whole filter free layers. Is the string metal wire. Was the very heavy and to throw the socked, and this box we schedule on the wasting dust and to the throw pass to turn in the back backward, and these are lights buttons, and on this is the speaker where the belt is the phone. The springs are in the very strong one in the heavy loader. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.